Hello and welcome to the Advist Group's Project Management video series. In today's video, we'd like to start with the basics of project management. That is why we are going to focus on the topics today. How is a project defined? What is the magic triangle? And what types of projects are there? Let's start with the definition of a project. On the World Wide Web, we can find quite a few definitions about a project. From our point of view, a project is defined by a time-limited project that has a fixed start and end time. These can be internal or external projects. In addition, we have listed the 4 most important features. A project is always a one-time and innovative approach that has never been comparable before. Another characteristic of a project is an order with a defined end product that is defined before the project starts. A project is rarely carried out by individuals, but always by a temporary team from a wide variety of departments, which are crucial for the success of the project. Last but not least, there are always different resources from the areas of time, money, and team commitment, whose interaction with each other we would like to take a closer look at on the next slide. The magic triangle. The magic triangle consists of the 3 parameters of time, cost, and quality. Why is this so important for the success of the project? The individual parameters always influence each other. For example, if we want to increase the quality of a project, as a rule, we will only be able to implement this through increased costs. This example can be applied to all variations within this triangle. If one of the parameters increases, it always affects the other 2 points. Finally, we ask ourselves the question, in which types of projects is this reflected? There are different ways of categorizing projects. Let's start with research and development projects. Research and development projects, for example, involve the production of a completely new product that has not yet been available on the market. Construction and investment projects followed. Imagine you want to build a new house privately, and you're already in your own house building project. Organizational projects. This is often used to summarize process change topics, or restructuring within a company department. For example, 2 departments are to be merged into 1 department in the future. Marketing projects. The company's own website is to be revised. Welcome to the next internal marketing project. And finally, our hobby horse, IT projects. In IT projects, we always work with digital applications or software products. If a logistics company needs a new warehouse, it must also be equipped with software. We have reached the end of the video, in which we have learned what the central characteristics of a project are. Thank you for checking out the content. We look forward to welcoming you back in our next video.